Good morning, my dear third class children. Yesterday we have discussed some exercises from the textbook, children. Now page number 32 open. Page number 32 open, children. Page number 32. They given MCQs and some blanks for you. Now we will discuss about these. Open page number 5 to 52, children. They given MCQs. I am reading question. Are you okay? Will you tell the answer? Yes. Which of the following is not a sense organ? Sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, and yes. See the first question. Which of the following is not a sense organ? Not a sense organ. Ear, tongue, skin. These are all the sense organs. No? So which is the not a sense organ? Yes, bone. Okay, bone is the answer. Not a sense organ. Bone is not a sense organ. Second question, see, digestive system helps us to change the food to a simple form. Digestive system helps us to change the food to a simple form. Okay, and see third question. Nervous system. Nervous system controls all our actions. Nervous system. Okay, see the option A helps to digest food. Digestive system, no? And C gives oxygen to the blood, circulatory system, and C controls all our actions. So third question, C, nervous system controls all our actions. Okay, nervous system is made up of brain. Okay, children, brain, no, main brain is there, no, brain, spinal cord, and nerves. So this system controls all other organ systems and organs of the body. So what is the right option? B. Okay, now fourth question, see. Our respiratory system helps us to supply oxygen to various parts of the body. Respiratory system consists of lungs, no children? Yes, respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe, and we have two lungs. So they supply oxygen to various body parts. So what is the right option? Right option is A. Okay, see the fifth question. Our circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels. So our circulatory system carries blood. Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. So what is the right option? Option is B. Carries blood. Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Circulatory system carries blood to all parts of the body. Okay, children? And they given here blank summa. See the read the first, look at the board. Okay, read the first blank. Bones and dash together help us to move our body parts. Okay, muscles are attached to the bone, no children. So bones and muscles work together with coordination. Then only we have to move our body parts. So bones and muscles. What is the right option here? Okay, what is the answer here? Muscles. So muscles are attached to the bones. Okay, right, muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles together help us to move our body parts. Okay, next see second blank. Dash organ tell us about the world. Which organ tells us about the world? Which organ acts as a camera? Will you tell? Yes, sense organs. How many do we have? 5 sense organs. Okay, tell us about the world. What is going on in our surroundings? We know everything because of our sense organs. What we see, what we hear, what we smell, okay, and what we taste, what we feel. All these possible because of our sense organ. Sense organs tell us about the world. What is happening in our surroundings? We know well because of the sense organs. Now third question, see, dash system helps producing babies. Which system producing babies? Reproductive system produce babies. Okay, now so the system that helps human beings to give birth to babies. Okay, that system is called reproductive system. Reproductive system helps to produce babies. Okay, so reproductive system, spelling C reproductive, reproductive. So reproductive system helps in producing babies. Okay, now fourth one, go to fourth one, dash give out carbon dioxide. Okay, we take oxygen, okay, from the air through the nostrils. Air enter the, okay, air contains oxygen and carbon dioxide nuchita. So air contains oxygen, that oxygen enter into the lungs through the nostrils. Okay, so lungs pick up oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Okay, so lungs expel out carbon dioxide, lungs give out carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, lungs give out carbon dioxide. Okay, when we take air, oxygen enter the lungs. Lungs pick up oxygen from the taking air and immediately gives out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, spelling is very difficult, children. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Lungs give out carbon dioxide. Okay, go to next one. Fifth question, see, the bony framework of our body is called. All the bones together and to form skeleton, no? So the bony framework of our body is called the skeleton. Okay, skeleton spelling skeleton, skeleton. Okay, all the bones in our body form a skeleton. Okay, now last one, see, sixth one, blood carries. Blood carries, which gas blood carries to different parts of the body? Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps the blood. What type of blood heart pumps to all parts of the body? Okay, oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means what? Fresh blood. Oxygenated blood means blood with oxygen. So blood carries oxygen to all parts of the body. OXYGEN, oxygen. Spelling what? OXYGEN, oxygen to different parts of the body. Okay, heart pumps oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Okay, children. Now, true or false they given for you. Yes, I will show the textbook. So see here, reproductive system, true or false? Reproductive system helps in producing young ones. Is it a true or false? It is a true. Okay, and second question, see, the brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. It is also true. Nervous system made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Is it true or false? It is a true. Okay, now third question, see, we breathe impure air. We breathe pure air only, impure not, pure air only. So it is a false. Now fourth question, see, the skin removes excess water and salts in the form of sweat. Yes, it is a true. The skin also acts as the excretory organ. Skin, when we play, when we run, we may get lot of sweat produced by sweat glands, no children? So the skin removes excess water and salts. Okay, salts in the form of sweat. So true, it is also true. Now fifth question, blood supplies carbon dioxide and food to the cells. Is it a true, children? Blood supply carbon dioxide or oxygen to the cells? Blood supply only oxygen and food to the cells. So it is a wrong. Keep false. So blood supply oxygenated blood and food to each and every cell of the body. Each cell need food and oxygen. That's why blood supply oxygen and food to each and every cell of your body. Okay, our body is made up of millions of cells. Each cell need food and oxygen. Okay, that's why it is a false. Okay children, here they given matching amma. Here they given matching. So see here respiratory system. Respiratory system. What is the main function of? What is the main job of respiratory system? What is the main job of respiratory system? Respiratory system consists of lungs. What is the main job of lungs? To breathe. See where it is? To breathe. It is the right option. So what we have to keep here? G. Respiratory system helps to breathe. Okay. Now muscular system. Muscular system, yes, made up of muscles. Okay. Muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles help to move your body parts. Okay. Where it is helps to move. Yes. Helps the body to move. What is the answer here? Option F. Okay, yes. Next see nervous system. Nervous system controls all our actions of the body, no children? Yes. Nervous system gives orders for action. So nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. The system that controls all other organ systems and organs of the body, and it gives orders for action. Okay, when we run faster, your brain gives orders to your breathing system and circulatory system to run fast. Is it clear? So gives orders. Nervous system gives orders for action. When we run faster, when we jogging, your brain gives orders for circulatory system and breathing system to work faster. Okay children? Now digestive system. Digestive system, yes, takes food in and prepare it for the body. Okay, digestive system. Okay, what is the right option? H. Okay, digestive system. Okay, next excretory system. Excretory system consists of two kidneys, no children. Well, who are the heroes of excretory system? Kidneys. Kidneys. We have two bean-shaped kidneys. What is the right option? Removes waste material from our body. Excretory system removes waste materials from our body. What is the right option here? C. Okay. Now go to next one. Sixth one. Reproductive system. Reproductive system produce babies, giving birth to babies. Where it is, check once. Yes, producing babies, helps in producing babies. Option D. Now circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Circulatory system carries blood to all parts of the body. Circulatory system, circulation of blood. So what is the option here? E. Okay. Now skeletal system. Skeletal system gives shape and support to our body. Where it is? Skeletal system match with A. Okay. A. So this is the matching. Don't confuse children. Okay. So okay children, have a good day ma.